To start with, we're going to work through these few problems as a warm-up, a reminder of what we were doing in our last lesson. Before you continue, pause the video, work these problems out on your own paper, and then press play again so that then you can see how we go about doing these. So notice here we are looking to find the derivative with respect to time specifically. So that's where we're figuring out what d over dt is. So as I take a look then at this first one, I'm going to be doing the derivative implicitly. So that's going to be the derivative of v is going to be dv over dt. Yes, I want to write it that way instead of v prime. It's a little bit more specific, telling us that it's with regard to t instead. And then I'm going to do the derivative of x cubed, which is not just going to be x squared, because we aren't finding the derivative with respect to x, we're finding the derivative with respect to t. So actually we got to use chain rule here. So I'm going to multiply that then by the derivative of x, which is dx over dt. That's now done. That's all we have to do to find the derivative of that expression, or that equation rather, with respect to time. All right, now we go on to the second one. Now, first of all, notice it's SA. That doesn't mean S times A. In this case, it's actually representing surface area. So SA is going to be a single variable. Also looking at the structure of the equation, 4 pi is just a constant. So when I do the derivative of that side, the 4 pi is just going to keep hanging out there like all of our constants do. All right, so let's find our derivative with respect to time. The derivative of SA would be dSA over dt. And then the 4 pi, remember, is still going to be there because that is just a constant. And now I need to do the derivative of r squared. Well, that would be 2r times the derivative of r. So that would be dr over dt. Now in this case, I would like to clean it up a little bit because I see this 4 and I see this 2 hanging out here. And I want to put those together. So I'm going to go ahead and call this d of SA over dt equals 8 pi r dr over dt. And then that one's done. We've now gotten our derivative.